HMAS Ballarat sailed into the Japanese port city of Kure, the Anzac-class frigate taking part in the bilateral Exercise Nichi-Gou Trident 2012. Their Japanese hosts were keen to cross-deck. And the Australians were also interested in visiting the neighbours, the Shimakaze and her crew hosting the Ballarat Ships Company on a tour of a Japanese destroyer.
We certainly welcome every opportunity we possibly can to operate with them, and us being here over the next few days for Exercise Nichi-Gou Trident is one such opportunity where we can enhance our interoperability and basically learn how each of us do things when we're at sea.
As the weather closed in, the Australians and the Japanese joined for a memorial service off the coast of Okinawa to pay respects to the hundreds of thousands of people who lost their lives during the bloodiest battle of the Pacific War.
Build up those things that make for peace, justice and freedom.
The Australians and Japanese forces were then joined by the United States Navy for Exercise Pacific Bond 2012. Focus is on undersea warfare and at the same time improving the way all three navies work together. HMAS Ballarat is now close to the end of a 4-month deployment through South and Northeast Asia and will return to Sydney in late June.